to come forward and she is going to talk about herself. So let's listen to her. Manvi.
Good morning, my friends. My name is Manvi Kumari. I am 9 years old. My father's name is Sudhir Kumar. He is a teacher. I have two sisters. Her name is.
Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, and again I would like to welcome to Gyan Sagar Academy classes, and today I want you to meet some of my students, and they have come here to speak about the topic which they have been given. They all have been given a special topic to speak about, so you have to hear them carefully, and after hearing you have to decide that who has spoken well about her topic or their topic, or who has not, so that I can be comfortable to give them a prize or a gift at the end of the session. Okay, so now I want all of them to introduce themselves one by one. So first of all, Adi, come forward and introduce yourself. Adi.
My name is Aditya Kumar. My father's name is Sudhir Kumar. I am from Mekra. Today I will speak about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Okay, next.
My name is Suman Kumari. My father's name is Sanjay Bhagat. I live at Mekra. I study in class 4. I speak about my best friend.
Okay, best friend. Next.
My name is Priti Kumari. My father's name is Sudhir Kumar. I live at Mekra. I study in class 4. I will speak about my house.
Okay, very good. Next.
My name is Sudhir Kumari. My father's name is Priti Kumar. I live at Mekra. I study in class 4.
Okay, next.
My name is Masam Kumari. My father name is Anand Bhagat. I live at Mekra. I speak about my brother.
Okay, so introduction session ends here, and now it's time to come to hear them all one by one. And now first of all I want Aditya come forward and share his view. He is going to speak about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So Aditya, come forward. And as we all know that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has been a very fantastic person in our life, and he has contributed a lot of efforts to make India free. So Adi, now.
Good morning to all of you. Today I will speak about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of our country. He was born on 14th November 1889. His father's name was Motilal Nehru. He was an Indian lawyer. In 6 May 1861 to 6 February 1931, his mother's name was Swarup Rani. She was a religious lady. His wife's name was Kamala Nehru. She was also a religious lady. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru studies law in England. He became a barrister. Later he joined the freedom struggle against to the British. He went several times to the jail. He was also a follower of our great leader Mahatma Gandhi. He worked very hard to progress our country. He became a prime minister in 1947. Our country was get freedom in 1947. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru went several times to jail. He wrote many famous books, and he awarded Bharat Ratna in 1955. He died on 27th May 1964. He was very fond of children. Children call him Chacha Nehru. Her birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Thank you.
Very good. Give a small clap. Next participant is Suman Kumari. So now I want Suman to come forward and share about her views, and she is going to speak about her best friend. So Suman, come forward.
Good morning, my dear friends. My name is Suman Kumari. I am going to speak about my best friend. My best friend name is Preeti Kumari. She is my classmate. She is very good. She is intelligent girl. She is healthy and kind. She helps me in study. She like to play badminton and football. She is intelligent girl. I did in same class. I have many friends, but Preeti is my best friend. I love my best friend. I am proud of her.
Very good.
Thank you.
Now next participant is going to be Preeti Kumari, and she is going to speak about her house. So let's hear her.
Good morning, my dear friends and my teachers. I will speak about my house. My house is big and beautiful. It has 4 big rooms. There are many doors and windows in it. The windows have beautiful curtains. There is a big hall in the center of the house. It is pink in color. There is a nice kitchen in my house. There are small racks and cupboard in it. We also keep our refrigerator inside the kitchen. We kept the dining table outside the kitchen. We all eat food on it. There is a big garden outside my house. All rooms are nicely painted. Each room has a bathroom. There is a beautiful flower in it. The terrace is also very spacious. Its boundary is tall. I like my house very much. Thank you.
Wow, very good, very good. Next, Julie Kumari. Julie Kumari is going to speak about her father, and she studies in class 4. So I want Julie come forward and express her ideas.
My name is Julie Kumar. I am going to speak about my father. My father's name is Mantu Bhagat. My father is head of our family. He is 40 years old. He is tall and strong. He is an intelligent man. He is tall and strong. He is healthy. He was very hard. He solved me problem. My father's is the best father in my life. He is the best father. My father is the best in my life. I respect my father. I love him much. He loves all family members.
Very good. Give us small clap. Next, Mausam Kumari. Mausam Kumari is going to speak about her brother. So let's hear about her topic. Mausam Kumari, come forward.
My name is Mausam Kumar. I speak about my brother. My brother name is Deepak Kumar. He is 21 years old. He is smart and healthy. He is very active. He studies in class inter. He is very intelligent. He gets good marks in all subjects. He has many friends. They all like him. He is very helpful. He respects his elders. His nature is very good. He is my good brother. I love my brother. I am proud of them. Thank you.
Wow, very good. Next, Rohit Kumar. Rohit Kumar is going to speak about Mahatma Gandhi. Wow, what a great topic. Rohit, come forward.
My name is Rohit Kumar. I am going to speak about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the greatest man of modern India. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born at Porbandar on 2 October 1869. Father's name was Uttam Chandra Karamchand Gandhi. Mother's name was
Very good. Now Kanhaiya Kumar, come forward and he is going to speak about his family.
Good morning. Good. My name is Kanhaiya Kumar. I speak about my family. I have wonderful family. There are 6 members in my family. There are my father, my mother, my sister, my grandfather, and grandmother. My father's is a shop. My mother's is a housewife. Thank you.
Very good. Next and last but not the least, one of my favorite students, Manvi Kumari, is going to come forward and she is going to talk about herself. So let's listen to her. Manvi.
Good morning, my friends. My name is Manvi Kumari. I am 9 years old. My father's name is Sudhir Kumari. He is a teacher. I have 2 sisters. Her name is Preeti Kumari and Sneha Bharti.
Very good.
I study in class 3. My school name is Gyan Sagar Academy. I live at Mekla. It is a small area. I have many friends. My best friend name is Barsa Kumari. She is intelligent. My favorite game is Carrom board. I get good marks in all subjects. English is my favorite subject. I want to become a pilot when I.
Wow, great dream. Give a small clap. So guys, now this session going to get end, and since you have heard them carefully, and now you are going to decide that who has spoken well or who has not, and as they have tried their best, so give them best wishes so that they can do well in their life, in upcoming life they can do well. So wish them for all. So Jai Hind, Jai Gyan Sagar. We will meet again. Give a thumbs up.